Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I'm here to unbox the June 2025 Beauty Heroes box. And it is June 13th, it's Friday the 13th, and this is when I'm opening the box for June. So if you've been following me, I moved on April 26th, so it's been about a month and a half since we moved. We stayed in the same town, but we moved from our house to a different house, like a bigger house in our same town. And I have 4 children, and they are 6.5 and under. So it's a busy household, and I totally underestimated what it would be like to move from one full house into another full house with 4 children and a husband. So for 6 people, 2 cats, it has been a process. I would say we're really quite settled. Like right here in front of me, I'm looking at like our 3 of our windows and in our bedroom, and like all the upstairs bedrooms we hung the curtains and this and that. Nothing downstairs has any curtains on any of the windows. There are blinds that the house came with, but it's all a process. We've had like a handyman here helping with some things. We've had a new washer, dryer, dishwasher, and installations for those. We've had somebody here to check the heat pump, and of course they found issues. We've had just like, it's been a process, along with unpacking and like finding spots for everything. So I won't talk about it too much, but I have not been on here barely at all, because I would say like sort of like the bare minimum, along with the school year ending and dance recitals and just, you know, kids ending school, and my daughter graduating from pre-K next week, my son finishing 1st grade next week. So it's all like the presents and the thank you notes and everything to all the teachers. So it's just been crazy, but it's great, and I'm really thankful for everything we have. So let's do a little beauty stuff, because I'm still doing my skincare and everything and doing my project pan. I'm keeping track of it. I haven't done the February update, and I didn't do the April update, so I'm just going to do a halfway through update when June ends, and that'll be fine. We'll survive. We will make it through this. So let's unbox this. I know it's Laurel Skincare because I have seen the emails come through, but I don't know what any of the products are, so that's pretty cool. I have had one Laurel Skincare product, I believe. I think it was a body oil, and it was pricey, and I got it because so many people raved about it, and then I was like underwhelmed. I thought it was overpriced for what it was and stuff. But you know, hopefully these are amazing. All right. So featuring Laurel Skin. Okay, let's see. Beauty Heroes. How are you supposed to read that? Beauty Heroes. I always say like X, but it's like with or like collab. I don't exactly know what that stands for. Beauty Heroes and Laurel. Looks like we have 2 products. $154 value. This is what the box looks like when you open it. All right, let's see. We have Petal Alchemy Strengthen and Flourish Moisturizing Serum. And we have the Hydrating Elixir 1 Phytonutrient Replenish. Yes, that's it. Phytonutrient Replenish. Let's read about these, and I'm going to use these after. I haven't done my skincare yet today. In fact, I didn't take a shower yet today. So either way, I'm either going to shower and clean my face or just clean my face. Shower tomorrow. So I will use this before bed tonight. All right, Petal Alchemy and Hydrating Elixir 1. So it says, Laurel Skin doesn't just make skincare, they cultivate it. Largely grown, harvested, and formulated in Northern California, just miles from Beauty Heroes headquarters, every product begins with whole raw plants and ends in small batch creations that nourish skin and spirit. Founded on the principles of slow beauty and biodynamic farming, Laurel Skin honors the land it draws from and people it serves. This month marks a rare and extraordinary moment. It's like 9 o'clock at night, I'm tired. The launch of a brand new serum, born from nature's own invitation. Welcome to Petal Alchemy, a formula that captures the energetic and therapeutic power of locally grown flowers. Paired with the essential Hydrating Elixir 1, this discovery is an ode to skin in full bloom. So the first one they're going to talk about is the Petal Alchemy. And this is a moisturizing serum. Let's open it up. They have pretty boxes. It's pretty. Okay, that's what it looks like. 30 milliliters, $112. That's a pricey serum. A serum unlike any other, Petal Alchemy emerged from a spontaneous infusion of peak season petals grown just miles from Laurel's apothecary. Infused over 3 lunar cycles, rose, calendula, red clover, marigold, and more surrender their full spectrum benefits to this richly hydrating, energetic, potent formula. Designed without essential oils, its cushiony texture envelops skin in nourishment, visibly plumping, firming, and softening signs of dehydration and fine lines. With every application, skin feels comforted, supported, and radiant. An exquisite expression of flower medicine created without rush or expectation. So we have some featured ingredients: flower infusion, petals grown and steeped locally to nourish and hydrate, rosehip fruit and seed oil, rich in vitamins A, C, and E to brighten and smooth, macadamia seed oil, lightweight and firming, supports elasticity and barrier repair, and gardenia and damask rose enfleurage, naturally fragrant and deeply softening. So that makes me wonder if it's going to smell like rose. I burned my hand like getting something from out of the toaster the other day, like an English muffin, so I have a little burn mark. That was unfortunate. It didn't really hurt that bad, but left a bit of a mark. So maybe I'll put it right there and it'll help heal my skin. Oh, sorry. This is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the smell of it in a funny way. If you knew, oh my gosh, Earthwise Beauty, the Black Locust Firming Concentrate, which I still have my last one. It kind of, it's a smell like, it's the same color. Oh no, maybe the Earthwise Beauty was darker, it's darker, but when I first, I got my nose, when I first smelled it, it reminded me of that. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it on my burn. So I bet it has so many nice healing properties. It'll actually probably help heal my skin better, or my burn rather. That's what it looks like in. So it went right in. Just like a not too noteworthy smell, really. I mean, it doesn't smell like roses, in my opinion. Don't know exactly what it smells like. Okay, so it feels nice on the skin. Feels probably like a nice, luxurious oil. All right, let's go to the Hydrating Elixir 1. That's that box. 50 milliliters for $42. A forever favorite and cornerstone of the Laurel ritual, Hydrating Elixir 1 delivers instant deep hydration with every mist. Okay, so this serum is new, and then this Hydrating Elixir is a forever favorite and cornerstone of it. So maybe it's the first Hydrating Elixir ever, since it's number 1. Crafted with Laurel's signature hydrosols and whole plant infusions, including rose, astragalus, marshmallow, and calendula, it replenishes moisture, soothes inflammation, and preps skin to receive oil-based serums. Okay, so we'll use this Hydrating Elixir and then the serum. Botanical hyaluronic analogs from marshmallow and hibiscus, plump and smooth, while reishi and licorice root calm and fortify. Subtle aromatic notes of sandalwood, sorry, I'm yawning a little, white rose, and frankincense anchor this elixir in ritual, transforming a simple step into a sensory reset. So we have sandalwood, white rose, and frankincense. Should be interesting smelling. The featured ingredients are astragalus and marshmallow, I'm saying mushroom. Visibly plump and smooth for a dewy complexion. Calendula and helichrysum calm irritation and promote renewal. Reishi and licorice root strengthen and soothe stressed skin. Rose and rose geranium brighten and tone with a soft floral touch. I'm going to spray it on this hand. Interesting. It's not, in my opinion, it's not like a subtle smell. It'll be interesting to use it. Anyways, I just spritzed on. It's just a little spritz. Just use it as a, you know, like a hydrating elixir to help the serum. So we'll do this, then we'll do the serum. That's part of our skincare routine. Oh yeah, I have a cut there too. I don't know what happened. I'm looking rough. I am excited to use these products. I was thinking, I know I didn't do a review of the, excuse me, I'm still yawning, the May box. I don't know if I did one of the April box. I moved April 26th, so I don't know if I did one for that. I'd have to look back and see. Obviously, I haven't made many videos, as you know, if you follow me. But here I am. So this is good, at least. I feel good about unboxing this now 13 days into the month. I'm excited to use these products, and I definitely am feeling more settled, and like that unpacking and settling in is not like consuming everything right now. Like I feel like it's part of my life, not like, you know, the main thing. Sounds dramatic, but whatever. So I'm hoping I can like do a review of this, and maybe I'll look at the products that I haven't done a review yet on, like possibly April, May, and then June, or if I did April, then like May and June, maybe I'll just do like a comprehensive review of the products. I think that'd be fine. And I definitely, like I said, I want to do a halfway point of my project pan, and who knows what else. We'll see. I don't want to say anything that I'm not going to follow through with, but maybe you guys have already got the box and been using the products. I would love to chat with you in the comments below about how you found they've been working, or like what you think of them, or if you like this brand a lot, or you've never used it before, this is your first time. I would love to know. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you can be alerted when the next video comes out. I do appreciate anyone who has stuck around, as I know that my filming and producing videos has not been consistent. So thank you if you're watching and sticking with me. I really appreciate it, and I do hope to improve the frequency of my videos. I look forward to chatting with you in the comments below, and I hope you're doing great. Bye.